So in my last video, I talked about how you can make money online using zero naira. When I say zero naira, I'm talking about Nigeria currency, depending on your currency. But I believe this job are for people who are in Nigeria anyway. So I talked about side gig and I moved on to talking about Payroute. In case you want to learn how both this site works, just check the description. There is a link attached. You can watch the video. Or after this, the end screen for this, definitely this video should pop up. You can watch it. So, but today's video, I'll be talking about how you can make money from this last two websites, which I promised to continue when I talked about making from the last website I talked about this last time. I told you I talked about Payroute, and this I talked about how you can earn little commission from this, and I showed you how to make money from them. So why this called freebies.com and Owonera? This should be Yoruba language in Nigeria, the tribe. Anyway, so now first of all, you should know you should sign up for anything. But before you sign up for anything, it's good to just move on around and see what the site is all about, so that you don't just go there, put in your details. Though one thing I want, don't put your BVN if you're in Nigeria. Don't start with that. Just put your account details, because no one can get your information with just your account details. Trust me when I say this. So now, welcome to Freebies. That is your welcome. So Freebies was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media job on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platform. I know you'll be wondering, how do all those people make their money? Yes, in my last video I talked about how all these guys make their money and how you can make your money as well from their money. So now how it works, this is it. You sign up, which we are going to do. Sign up, you get referral code and start earning 500 on every referral to use Freebies. If you think you want to make money through referral program as an affiliate, you can really do that. Trust me. It's not difficult, except you don't want money. But if you want money, definitely you will do everything it takes to get the money. All right, the next one is earn and cash out. So log into your dashboard to access available jobs. You can earn as much as 10,000 daily when you like, share, comment on a post, or play games. Yes. Then you can hire social media workers to engage on your post. This is when you want to create tasks. Yes, but now you're a freelancer, you want to be doing some stuff for them so that you get paid. So you can get started and just move on by signing up very fast. So now from here, we're going to register, which won't take much time, because all the side is going to ask you for your first name, your last name, and some other stuff, which I told you. So we have the first name here. I'm going to put in my first name or any random name. We just put in the stuff, then, or I'll just come here and put my my YouTube name. So I'm going to come here and put in funny stuff. So this is for Nigeria. Put in your stuff. So I'm going to clean this and just put any random number that I feel like. Then ensure the number is connecting, because number you don't really use anyway. But so you can put password. Yeah, I'm going to put that now. I'll put any random password I think that is not useful, or you just put in some stuff. How did you hear about this? If you think you want to refer this, you can go on. So I agree with the term. Which term? The question. But anyway, their terms will not kill you. Yes, it won't kill you. So now I'll move on to the next stuff. Now I'm going to click on register and other stuffs, I think. So let's just register to this site. It won't take much time. But if you're just watching this video for the first time, what you should do for me is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm begging you. I'm on my knees anyway. But I think if you really want to get updates on how to make money without spending a dime, you should be part of this journey of free stuff. So you can just sign in by subscribing for free. Your subscription is free. Turn on the notification bell, because you will not want to miss my update. So now, all right, let's continue. Freebies just give us a fresh account, which you can do on your smartphone. I believe the smartphone should be smaller than this. Yes. So now for your smartphone, or for depending on what you're using, the dashboard is very important to check and see what stuff there. So if we'll start with this one here, and log out is the only option at this place. Yes. So move on to jobs and see my available jobs, my jobs, completed jobs, and see. Then we have post campaign, we have wallet, we have referrals. So you can create a campaign. This is when you want to do something. For example, you have a YouTube channel and you want people to sign up to subscribe. So you can create a campaign. Then people will join the site called Freebies. They will keep on referring people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and immediately you get paid for it. So that is the work we are doing now. We want to help people complete tasks and other stuff so that we can get paid for it. So now that's the jobs. Then there at the wallet section, I think we have withdraw request, fund wallet. If you want to fund your wallet, you want to create tasks so that people can engage on your Instagram, please just watch the video beneath at the description on how to go about this, how to create, how to promote your product on all this free website. Yes, trust me. So now we have referrals. This place we have referrals. At this place there's no referral. We have login points. When you log in, there is a point for every login. So you will get 50 points on everyday login. Accumulated points can be converted to cash, which will be credited into your wallet. Every 1,000 points is equivalent to 50 bucks. Oh, that is poor. But anyway, we can move now. So let's just click on redeem points and see if there's any way we are paying for this. Okay, so list of point, redeem point 0 on redeem point 0. So there's no need redeem any points because we don't have anything. So the first thing now is, how do we really make money from this now? That is the question that will be on your mind. So let's check on jobs. Let's see available jobs and see which one we can embark on, which one we can continue and make money from it. So this won't take much time and we are good to go. All right, so as this is loading, get your mind prepared that we're moving on to the next one, which is called Owo Daily. From here, you can join our community. I'm not affiliated to any of these. I'm just trying to show you how you can make money because I did my research very well and I think this is better. So you can as well just move on with all this, unlock your earning potential with your marketing skill on other stuff like this. Usual method, just try login or create account or become a member if you think becoming a member. Same process, but let's see what's happening here. So from here, I think we are close to this. So the side gig pay, I believe this is it. Pay route. Okay, freebies is out. All right. So available jobs. Let's see. I'm still on the available job. It's still loading. I don't know why it's taking more time. Let's just wait for it and it will be good. We are good to go. So now we are in Owo Daily. Let's just same process. Let's just put in any name. Their full name. You can just put Chuks G or I learn as the usual Learn Digital. Then we go to email. You can put any type of email you feel like putting. Then put any username and just say learn. You can put underscore and just put digital. Yes, so you can put that stuff. Then and the password you can put. Look at the password. You can put minimum a lowercase and stuff. It means there should be alphabet on your stuff. There should be uppercase as well. So I can just put in another uppercase and lowercase. Then I'll put in my numbers that I want to put in. Then any other thing, a lowercase, uppercase, a number, minimum 8. So I believe this is. So let me show you a case study of what I'm talking about. So this is what it means. Uppercase, lowercase, you can put in any stuff there and you have your number. So then here you can put in your country code. So I'm going to put in this country code and just move on to the stuff. Then at the sex, I'm going to put male. Then I'm going to move on to country, Nigeria and stuff like this. If there's banks, you can put all the stuff. If you think you just put any random stuff, it's not needed. You can put 2000 if you think, because from 2000 now you should be mature enough. So what's your secret question in case you lose your password? But you can put what's your best friend name. Your best friend should be Learn Digital. That's my YouTube channel because it's going to give you a lot of information on how to make money. You can pick anyone, Access Bank, then you put your account number. You can just put anyone. Let me just put in one of this number that I think 07006810064. So you're gonna put your stuff like this and you choose your secret answer. It's your best friend. You can say Learn Digital. Then I'm not a stuff. I agree to their terms. Then I'm not a robot. Then after now we're going to move on, then submit and complete registration and we are good to go. So now I just discovered one thing. Username is available. Okay, let's see what phone number not valid. Let's just get this plus out of it and we can move on to the next. So let's just submit and complete again and see what stuff. So phone number not valid, I don't know, but let's just get this 234 plus 234 9124450356. It's telling me a phone number not valid and it's not giving me the best option on what to do, and that's bad for this website, totally bad. Okay, let me clear it off and see. Okay, I've seen the problem. So over here, look at the suggestion there. We shouldn't put that. So I'm going to just put this again and we are good to go. So now we're going to check on this. Now it should be done and we submit. Let's see, phone number not valid again. Oh, if this becomes a problem, I might just get it off. Okay, let me see again. Okay, 09124450356. So I put 356. You know, most times we get not valid, not valid. Let me get 91. Okay, not valid. Okay, let me put another one. Still not valid. Let me get out from it and see. 0912444. I want to see where the problem starts and see if it solves it. So submit and complete. Phone number not valid. All right, let me try fix this and I'm back to you. All right, so just a limitation here. I just think over here, these numbers, it seems the number they accept is totally a different kind of number. Maybe it's the zero kind of numbers and not the zero stuff. Zero. So I was saying something. So now you discovered I had the 081 and the number was working. So this is painful to tell you that maybe 091 won't work. Maybe this kind of number is needed. So I'm going to put in that stuff. Then I'm going to click on I'm done and then I'll submit stuff. Please match the stuff. Okay, username should contain letter, either case, a number only, minimum stuff. So length should be 5 to 15. Okay, so let me see. Maybe they're trying to give me some bullshit there. I'm going to submit again and I am good to go. So creation and stuff. Verify your email. So I'm going to, maybe I want to start send promotional messages. I'm going to put in any random email from here. I'm just putting the stuff. To verify your email, kindly follow the instruction in the link that was sent to your stuff. And so we can verify this. Just check on your phone if you're doing it from phone and you're good to go. So let's go back to freebies. All right, from here, we will complete our survey. This is where we have before, trying to create a job for ourselves. So now I'm going to create a job from here. So from here, male. I don't think I'm a female, I'm a male, right? Then at the age range, I'm going to pick one of these two. Let me say I'm not old. I'm still a young boy. From my voice. So what's your interest? Yes, Amazon KDP. That's what I really do. Yes, if you see this place, this is where I really make my dollars. Yes, this is everything I do on Amazon and stuff like this. If you want to make money through Amazon, read dollar. When I talk on read dollar, but you put in the work, you really want to work and make money, then just say I want to make money, or find a way to just say I'm interested in Amazon KDP, and I will give you a link so that you chat me on WhatsApp. Or anyway, just check there. You see link to my WhatsApp. Or anyway, just ask questions and you will get access to me for free. All right, now we have this and stuff. So I'm going to pick on Amazon KDP. Then this is select at least 10. At least 10. So I love comedy, just like I can make you laugh. Then cook at in either basic stuff. You know how to cook. Cooking recipes, crypto, dance and drama, education. I love reading. Yes. Lifestyle, I don't have money, so I'm not talking lifestyle. I'm going to go on skills. So graphic design, relationship. You're single, you marry, or you don't even know if you marry. Sales and marketing. Then I'll talk on the next one, Twitter. I'm talking TikTok. I'm talking podcast. Where I can talk about stuffs. On Instagram, I really don't know. But on Facebook, then I will submit. Then ensure you review your stuff before submitting. Survey successfully completed. Thank for completing the survey. You have been awarded 100 points for taking the survey. Worry, I just made a little cash. But frankly speaking, this cash are not that big though. But just some few seconds. All right, get access to more jobs, verify your account, and have unlimited access to withdraw funds. When you refer up to 50 friends, you will earn 12.5 plus and stuff. So I'm going to get verified now. I believe I should verify my mail and I'm good to go. So let me see what's the verification all about. So let's see if it's telling me to pay. If it's telling me to pay, trust me, I told you that it's totally free. We are not paying anything. Okay, it said got payment issue, transfer this to this. I'm not doing that. I'm going to skip this intro as fast as I can. So over here now, we're going to verify this stuff and check at the Owo Daily place. You know, we're making two stuff like this as I promised and see how both of them works. So I just checked my mail and yeah, I have the code. So I'm going to click on submit and I am good to go. So move on to the next stuff. Member login. Yes, I'm going to log in now. I'm going to. Oh, I can't even remember my password. Oh, is this website that asks for stuff? So let me see if this password works. If it doesn't work, I'm going to try another one. I'm going to hit on log in. Let's see both of them. All right, activate 1 year membership. Oh no, I'm not paying for anything. Yes, because I really don't want to upgrade to Owo Daily Plus and stuff. So let's see if there's the free stuff here, because I believe they should be free. So let's click on job, available jobs, same as the other one. Then this place, get verified. So you get verified today. You get all these at no extra stuff. All right, I don't want to do this, so I'm going to click on jobs. I'm going to click on available jobs as usual and see what is really there. The first one I talked in the last tutorial with pay route online, we're making some cool stuff. So now I really don't want this intro. They shouldn't give me earn 500 each time you refer a friend. So we can be doing this one and tell them, hey, go sign up, it's totally free, you get 500. So I believe this is even the easiest way to make this money. So just find 10 friends and say, hey, I'm going to give you my link. You're going to verify your stuff. You're going to eat 5,000 right now, or send it to your family members and you make good money. You see how beautiful this referral stuff can work for you. Yes, it said eat 500 naira each time you refer a friend. So now you just refer a friend and you get stuff, And so he said we will reward you with 55,000 when you refer 1,000 verified user, and this when you refer 1,000 verified user. 100 verified user, it will give you this. 1,000 verified user will give you this. You see, this is very crazy to do. Very crazy to do. So you see, the beautiful thing about this is you can make money with it. You can just, if you have a good community that can give you money, just tell them, hey, then you just share this stuff. That's why I told you it's totally free. So share with your friend and make a lot of money from it. So available jobs here is how to make this daily online from social media on free. Someone has made a tutorial on that, and I'm already making a video on it. Share a post on Facebook, then you can pick this job for 5 naira per day. Click on it, then oops, you are not verified yet. Get verified. Let's see if we are paying to get verified. Okay, seems we're going to pay to get verified to really take this, but you can pick the refer process and just keep on referring your friends towards this so that you can make some cool money from it. All right, there's other stuff we can do. I believe this is not much. If you really want to do this, you want to make money, so verify your account and have unlimited access to withdraw funds. When you refer up to 50 friends, you will earn 12,000 plus and other stuff. So you can play around this and make money from it. Now back to this. Now we know how to make money from freebies by just referring. I think we should move on. You can play around all this and see what is there so that you make other monies. Yes, you make good money. Money is good. Post test and a link to WhatsApp status. 1,000 view this and you're good to go. 15 hour duet video stuff. There are most things you can do here, all for free. So the next one here is activate 1 year membership. Let's see, I'm not activating anything. Click on jobs and see available jobs, and I'm good to go. So let's just click on available jobs and let's see if it's taking us back. All right, so I'm not paying any stuff. Maybe they're trying to they made it compulsory that one must pay. Let's just activate and see. So Flutterwave checkout. I joined the exclusive club of successful online entrepreneur and boost your engaging potential with this. With an active membership, you have access to micro job that pays, the ability to hire targeted micro influencer, promote affiliate offers, and earn cash rewards, plus the chance to learn digital marketing and all this. All right, so let me click on activate membership. I don't know, but at least with this 3, which is very confirmed, sometimes you pay little money, because it seems we are going to pay some little money over here now to get access to other jobs. All right, so look at how much we are paying, 5k plus. So you can pay this if you think you want to make money with this. Move on with your cards and go ahead with this. But I told you the essence of this video is to show you site you can make money totally from zero. So let's check out invite. We can still use that other trick and get money from this. So it seems we must activate membership or this, but above all, this is very beautiful. You can come here at freebies and make some cool money. You can go to side gigs.co. I've made video on this. Check the description, or wait till this video is done and to go through this on how to create and promote your own product, all for free. This one is totally free. Then at the pay route, this one .online, I've showed you how you can earn at least some 2 naira from each link you click on this place. All right, guys, I believe you've learned a lot and you are thrilled about this. So I want to be thrilled by you, by what you do for me now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, drop your best comment, and any way you could get across to me on the Amazon KDP on how to make real cash, real dollar advice. You do that immediately. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video on free stuff you can do to make money.